You were never taught how to build wealth. You were taught how to survive. Go to school, get a job, stay realistic, avoid risk, work for 40 years, repeat. And if you fail financially, society tells you it's because you didn't work hard enough. But deep down, most people already feel something is wrong. Because there are people working 12 hours a day, still broke, while others build freedom faster than anyone thought possible. So what's the real difference? It's not luck, it's not intelligence, it's psychology. The truth is, most people are trapped in mental patterns they never chose. Patterns inherited from parents, school systems, fear, environment, social pressure. And those patterns quietly control every financial decision they make. That's why some people earn more money, but never escape stress. Because wealth is not created by income alone. It's created by identity. Most people have been conditioned to think like workers, not builders. They wait for permission. They fear uncertainty. They avoid discomfort. They trade time for security. And slowly, they become addicted to stability. But here's the dangerous part. Stability can become a prison. Because the moment someone accepts an average life as normal, their ambition starts dying silently. That's why so many people feel stuck. Not because they lack potential, but because they stopped believing their life could become something greater. Meanwhile, the people who build wealth think differently from the beginning. They see time differently, energy differently, risk differently. While most people spend money to impress others, the wealthy spend money to buy freedom. While most people consume, the wealthy accumulate assets. While most people chase comfort, the wealthy train discipline. And discipline changes everything. Because the modern world is designed to destroy focus, every app fights for your attention. Every platform profits from distraction. Every dopamine hit weakens long-term thinking. People wake up and immediately consume noise, scrolling, comparing, escaping, hour after hour, day after day. And eventually, they wonder why they feel mentally exhausted, but financially stagnant. Because attention is power. And if you cannot control your attention, someone else will control your future. The wealthy understand this deeply. That's why they protect their mind aggressively. The thoughts you repeat daily become your identity, and identity shapes behavior automatically. Everything changes the moment you stop asking, "How do I get rich?" and start asking, "Who do I need to become?" Because wealth is rarely created by one decision. It's created by daily patterns. The books you read, the people you listen to, the habits you tolerate, the standards you accept. Your future is hiding inside your daily routine. And once you understand that, you stop seeing discipline as punishment. You start seeing it as power. Because the people who build extraordinary lives are not superhuman. They simply refuse to stay mentally average. And in a world addicted to distraction, that becomes a superpower. Wealth starts in the mind.